Hi guys, my name is Samyukta. I'm from Bangalore. I did my undergraduate in B&M Institute of Technology. So the universities which I applied here before coming to coming for my masters are San Jose State University, University of Colorado, Portland State University, and University of Texas Arlington. So why San Jose? So why did I choose San Jose? Because it's a Silicon area, it's a Bay Area. It's a Bay Area, and you get a lot of internship opportunities here, and the course structure is good. So basically, basic major advice for you people to select a university is see the course structure well, go through all the departments, because for EE networking, and when you compare EE networking and EE Comp networking, there are variety of courses which are good, and which have a very course structured and well oriented in Comp than compared to EE. So my advice is go through each and every department's course structure, and then select a very good course which you are interested in. So talking about funding, I didn't have any funding before I joined San Jose State University, but now I'm getting an ISA position under a professor. So if you're coming to San Jose State University, you can start applying for TA or ISA positions after your first semester. So it's not difficult to find ISUTA positions. It's just you have to go to the department, get to know the professors, speak to them personally, and then you get well acquainted, pass in your resumes, and then you can it goes good for the funding. And talking about the internship, I did a 2-month internship at a life size company. It's not difficult finding an internship here. It's just that you need to apply at the right time. So for the summer internship, start applying from October, November. Get in touch with a few professors who are in research field. So they can recommend you to few of the positions or few of the seniors whom they know to recommend you for internships. So yeah, that's it. And wish you good luck with your masters. Correction.